His law up on our heart, cause we is chosen people, holy and set apart. But too many of us sleep, we caught up in the matrix. I really wanna leave, cause I can't take this. The air is poison, the food is artificial. It's fluoride in the water and these churches superficial. And life is too short, so I gotta blow the whistle. I be aiming at these doctrines like I'm... Shabbat Shalom, family. It's your boy Prophet. Got another update. So, for those of you who have seen any of my Unity and Survival videos, I've dropped a few in the past. I've also mentioned Unity and Survival in some of my other videos in the past. I've dropped some information on my Facebook page about it. If you guys know what it is, then you already know that it's something that's been on my mind, been on my heart for a while now, and that I have been saying that I needed to really get started doing a lot of the things that need to be done in order to make it successful. So with that said, recently I created a intake form for Unity and Survival. And so in the intake form, it has the original video that I did about Unity and Survival to provide all of the information about it in a nutshell, pretty much. And it also has a place for you to put some of your information in there if you're interested, just to say like, where did you hear about it? And then it goes into a very in-depth questionnaire to gauge your level of interest, to gauge your skill set, to gauge the things that you have to be able to bring to the table to be a part of this coalition. And so it only takes, I'd say it takes us about 15 minutes to fill out. We spend more than 15 minutes watching Netflix, so it's definitely worth checking out. If you have heard of Unity and Survival and you want to get more information, you can contact me. You can comment below on this video. You can contact me on my email, lyrical.entertainment21@gmail.com, or just fill out the form and I will get your information from the form. You can there's areas in the form where you can ask any questions you like. Excuse me. You're not obligated to answer all the questions on the questionnaire. So if it's something that you don't feel comfortable with sharing, then skip the question, or just don't share that information that you that it's asking. But definitely check it out. Definitely keep a lookout, because a lot more Unity and Survival stuff is gonna be coming. That's gonna be my main focus moving forward. I'm currently working on an album, my next album, but I think that this album that'll be released, well, I say probably at the end of this year, beginning of the next year. It may, depending on how the world is turning out, it may be my last album, because right now my focus is on survival. My focus is on coming together and fellowshipping and preparing for the tribulation to come. Absolutely. We see how things are shaping up. All these mandates out here. People are losing their jobs. People are losing their homes. People are being pressured and forced to adhere to these mandates, and it's sad, but it's a harsh reality that I feel needs to happen to an extent, because sometimes people won't wake up to the truth. They won't wake up to the true nature of this world that we live in until you kind of smack them in the face to wake them up. And it's going to take a lot of smacking to wake some of these people up, because they have been so indoctrinated and programmed, and we're living in the last of days, and people are still living their lives as if nothing is wrong, as if nothing is about to happen, and they don't see the moves that are being made behind the curtain. And again, the people who do know what's going on, we're labeled as conspiracy theorists, and we're labeled as crazy tinfoil hat wearing maniacs, or we're just crazy, or or paranoid or whatever the case may be. And I was telling one of my brothers, I was like, the time is coming real soon where everybody's gonna have to go to their conspiracy theorist friend and apologize, because a lot of the things that we're saying is coming to pass. A lot of the stuff that we've been talking about for the longest are starting to come to pass, and pieces of the puzzle are being fit together right before our very eyes. We're seeing all of these different things come together to show what the actual agenda is. So, not to make this video that long, the link to the forum is going to be in the description below. I'll also put the links to some of the other Unity and Survival videos in the description below. Please go and check those out. If you're interested, you are more than welcome. But with that being said, you guys have a nice day, and I'm going to enjoy the rest of my Shabbat. Shalom.